We're thrilled by our most recent 5-star review from someone that just experienced our great customer service. Our team works hard to go the extra mile for everyone, so this type of review is very rewarding. This is one of our favourites because we go to great lengths to constantly work on improving our processes and making sure everyone gets the best service possible. So online feedback like this is always appreciated and we love sharing it with others. But don't take the reviewer's word for it, discover the difference for yourself. We're confident you'll love the value and attention to detail that's become our specialty. Simply contact the number on your screen and reach out to us today to get started. We look forward to working with you and thanks for watching.